Hello, hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's talk about law of attraction. Okay, like I will share some of the steps that will definitely help you to attract the things that you want in your life. Okay, have you ever wondered why some people seems to attract opportunity while others keep attracting problem? So ask yourself that question: why some people are really getting success? Why I am not? Okay, lots of people are having problem in their life and lots of people are really succeeding in their life. So why? Let's find the solution. Let's try to get the answer. Your thought may be shaping your reality more than you realize. Okay, so our thought really shape our our reality. So let's talk one by one. How can we use the law of attraction to get the things whatever that we want in our life? Okay, the first one, know what you want. So first of all, be clear about your goals and desire. You have to know about what you want in your life. If you don't have that clarity what you want in your life, then you will not get that thing. Okay, so if you want to become a teacher, then first of all, like every times you it will be in your mind that I will be a teacher, I will be a teacher. Okay, so first know about what you want, no matter what. If you want to become a singer, dancer, okay, cricketer, first of all you have to specify that I just want to become a singer. Okay, so be clear about your goals and desire. If you don't know what you want in your life, then you can't get the thing. Okay, so when you go outside, first of all we know the destination. After that we just comes from after that we start our bike or car. Okay, so that's the thing. Know the destination. You have to know about it. Next one is believe it's possible. Believe in yourself that I can do it or I will definitely do it. Your belief influence your action and decision. So you have to believe in yourself. The more you will believe in yourself, the more you will get closer to your goals, okay, or dreams. So believe that I can do it and just work for your goals. Next one is visualize your success. Imagine your goal as if it is has already happened. So you have to imagine that the things that you are going to do, it has already happened. For example, if you want to become a singer, think that right now, just visualize it. Okay, visualize it. You are on the stage in front of thousands of audience and you are singing and they are really appreciating you, they are clapping, okay, for you. So visualize your success. Whatever the things that you want to do in your life, just visualize that thing. Okay, visualization play an important role to get the things whatever we want to become in our life. Okay, next one is think positively. Focus more on possibility than limitation. Don't think negative, always think about positive. Okay, focus on possibility. Think that okay, no matter what, if this is the way, if like if there is two possible way to getting things done, if one way is not working, then you have to think that okay, maybe this way is not working, I will definitely try another way. So focus on more possibility. Okay, always focus on positive thing, always focus on like possibility. Okay, don't focus on the limitation. Next one is feel the emotion. Experience gratitude, confidence, and excitement now. So like right now, be grateful for that whatever you want to become. Experience gratitude and be confident and feel the emotion. Feel that emotion that like you are really feeling good while you are uh, giving the performance on the stage. People are really clapping for you, they are appreciating you. Okay, so just feel the emotion and live in that emotion. So that emotion play an important role in our life to get the things whatever we want. Okay, next, take consistent action. Dreams become reality through action. If you don't take any action for that, if you want that thing, okay, if you want only like whatever you want in your life, if you want that thing but not taking action, how can you get that? Only visualizing or positive self talk, it won't work until or unless you don't work on yourself. So take action for that field. So if you want to become a singer, then you have to sing, you have to practice, and you have to, whenever you will get an opportunity, you have to practice, you have to show your talent. Okay, so that's the thing. Take action. Take action. Consistent action matter the most. You have to sing, you have to practice every day. Okay, you have to like do all of the things whenever you will get the time. Okay, so dreams become reality through action. So take action. Okay, don't stay at your home or anywhere. Just take action. Go outside, haunt your, just go outside and haunt your dreams. Next one is remove limiting beliefs. Okay, replace negative thought with empowering one. Replace negative thought with positive one, you can say. So remove the negative beliefs. If you believe that, like if your mind is saying that I can't do it, it's very difficult, people are really they are great and they have luck, that's why they are successful. No, 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 no. You have to remove this belief system. You have to remove this belief system, and you have to believe that, okay, if other can do it, I can also do it. Okay, so that's the thing. Next one is practice gratitude. Appreciate what you already have while working for more. So always be grateful for whatever the things that you have in your life. It could be anything, it could be small, your family, it could be like anything. Okay, so practice gratitude. Always be grateful for whatever you have. Be thankful. Say to God, thanks God, the life that I am living, thanks for everything. Okay, next, stay patient and persistent. Result often take time. Don't give up too early. Okay, so result often take time, so we have to be patient. Okay, we have to keep patience. How? We don't need to give up. Just we have to work on our dreams again and again. Okay, more and more. Last but not the least, trust the process. Keep learning and improving. Okay, and moving forward every day. We have to learn every day. We have to improve every day, no matter what. If you think that everything will be fall on the place, no, 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 nothing will fall on the place. You have to take the action and to do that. If you are like going through problem, if you are blaming yourself, and if you are criticizing of the universe, blaming other people for your success, then you can't be a successful person. You have to take the action, you have to trust the process, you have to learn, you have to improve. So these are the things that we must have to do to attract the things whatever we want in our life. Okay, the law of attraction is not about just wishing, it's all about aligning our thought, emotion and action with the goal. Okay, when all of these three work together, definitely we can get the success in our life. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching our video. If you found this video is helpful, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, and share with share this video with someone, okay, who will get benefited by this. And yeah, thank you once again. Bye.